Pop the bubbles with lowercase letters.
Q.
Oops! That's an uppercase letter. Pop the bubbles with lowercase letters.
G. R.
Super! You found the lowercase letters. Pop the bubbles with lowercase letters.
M. Y.
Super! You found the lowercase letters. Now pop the bubbles with uppercase letters. Now pop the bubbles with uppercase letters.
B.
Oops!
P.
That's a lowercase letter.
J.
Now pop the bubbles with uppercase
O.
letters. Great job! You found the uppercase letters. Now pop the bubbles with uppercase letters.
Z. N. F. U.
Great job! You found the uppercase letters. Pop the bubbles with letters.
X. F. P. Y.
Woohoo! You found the letters. Pop the bubbles with letters. Pop the bubbles with letters.
M. Z. S. J.
Woohoo! You found the letters. Now pop the bubbles with words.
Red. Sun. Van. Rug.
Neato! You found the words. Now pop the bubbles with words.
Hat. Hand.
Neato! You found the words. Pop the bubbles with vowels. Pop the bubbles with vowels.
A. E. E. R.
Oops! That's a consonant. Find the vowels.
I.
Pop the bubble. Yay! You found the vowels. Pop the bubbles with vowels. Pop the bubbles with
E.
vowels.
A. U.
Yay! You found the vowels. Now pop the bubbles with consonants.
T. R. F. B.
Yay! You found the consonants. Now pop the bubbles with consonants. Now pop the bubbles with
R.
consonants.
C. F. Q.
Yay! You found the consonants. Spell the word tub.
T.
Yay! Spell the word dig.
D.
Good job! Spell the word hat. Good thinking! Spell the word fan. Good work! Spell the word map. Great! Spell the word cup. Great job! Spell the word big.
B.
Awesome! Spell the word pen. Cool beans! Spell the word web.
W.
Keep it up! Spell the word box.
B.
Keep up the good work.